Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle error code 5041706. The error reads, "Purchase not successful, please restart the application. We apologize for the inconvenience." As per our research, this error comes when players try to buy stones in the shop. It mostly occurs during transactions and affects both Google Play gift card purchases and other payment methods. The error appears to be inconsistent, as sometimes the transaction goes through, but other times it fails with this error. According to our research, this error is likely related to payment or network issues. It may also occur if the Google Play Store app or the game is outdated. We first advise you to power cycle your device along with the internet. Simply turn off your device and unplug your router. Then wait for a few minutes, then restart both and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try connecting over a different network. It can be any other Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot. Once connected, try the purchase again and see if this helps. If you still have the error, then try using any other payment method. Sometimes switching the payment method can bypass the issue. In case the error still appears, then check if you need to update the Google Play Store app or the game. If there are any pending updates, install them and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.